Xiaomi 4DRC Mini Drone 3-in-1 Sea-Land Air Flight Quadcopter. The Xiaomi 4DRC Mini Drone is a versatile and exciting 3-in-1 RC device designed for endless fun across air, land, and water. Compact and innovative, this drone hovercraft combination delivers an exceptional experience for kids and beginners alike. Key features: 3-in-1 modes, seamlessly switch between flight mode for aerial fun, ground mode for land navigation, and surface mode for water adventures. The foam hull design ensures durability and effortless transitions. Altitude hold and headless mode. With altitude hold, the drone maintains a stable hover, while headless mode simplifies control by eliminating the need to distinguish the drone's front and rear. 360-degree stunt rolls perform thrilling flips and rolls in the air for an immersive and exciting flight experience. 3 adjustable speeds, choose between high, medium, and low speeds to match your environment and skill level. Safety features: equipped with low-voltage automatic alarm and automatic landing, the drone ensures a safe and controlled experience. Efficient charging and long battery life, features USB high-speed charging with built-in protection and a 3.7V 700 mAh battery offering up to 8 to 10 minutes of playtime. Specifications: product size 18 by 18 by 7.5 centimeters. Flight distance 50 meters, air, ground, and water. Charging time approximately 60 minutes. Control frequency 2.4 G. Color options green and blue. Packaging includes all necessary accessories, such as spare fans, a screwdriver, USB charger, and a detailed manual for easy setup. Perfect for all environments. This all-terrain drone is perfect for indoor, outdoor, poolside, or any water surface adventures. With its easy-to-use controls and innovative design, it's an excellent choice for RC enthusiasts of all ages. Whether soaring through the sky, navigating the ground, or gliding over water, the Xiaomi 4DRC Mini Drone ensures limitless fun and creativity in every mode. A must-have for tech enthusiasts and a fantastic gift for kids.